Hey, Ben. Fancy seeing you here. I thought you were working late tonight.
I was, but I finished early. Gotta grab a few things for dinner. What are you up to?
Just doing my weekly grocery run. I'm totally out of milk and eggs.
Oh, you know what? I need eggs too. Did you see if they had those organic ones on sale?
Let me check. Yep, looks like they are. $5 a dozen. Not bad.
Great. I'll take 2 cartons then. Do you want to split that big bag of apples? It's too many for me alone.
I think I'm good on apples. I bought a huge bag last week. They're sitting in my fridge.
Right. So what are you making tonight? Something quick?
Yeah, I'm thinking pasta with pesto and a side salad. Super easy. I'm too tired to cook anything fancy.
Sounds perfect. I'm gonna make chicken stir fry. I just need to get some fresh peppers and broccoli.
Wow, look at this line. This is crazy busy for a Wednesday night.
Tell me about it. I should have come earlier. Did you remember to get everything you needed?
Almost. I forgot coffee beans. I'm dead without my morning coffee. Be right back.
Okay, I'll save our spot in line. Don't rush.
Got them. They had a new dark roast I want to try. I hope it's good.
Let me smell. Yeah, that smells strong. You're brave.
I need strong. Anyway, how's the job search going for your cousin Mike?
It's slow. He had a couple of interviews last week, but nothing solid yet. He's really hoping for that marketing position.
I hope he gets it. That company is great. Maybe he should try following up with an email tomorrow?
Good idea. I'll tell him. Oh, look, this line is finally moving. We're next.
Awesome. I can't wait to get home and put my feet up.
Me neither. See you around, Alice.
Bye, Ben. Have a good night.